I am on my final ride here in Caldicot Rugby Football Club. It is, of course, when I've got to finish on, James Danters, forearm to Bowley. It is an extreme, and it's by Craig. Oh, lovely. Oh, what a way to finish. What a way to finish. Oh, I love this ride so much. If you forgot what I mentioned earlier, the Funfair's not going to Barry this fair, it's not going to Barry this year, but it's here till opening day today, it's here till Monday the 4th. Forward facing time, baby! Woohoo! It's a slow roll! Oh, lovely! Whee-hee! Hey! Oh, lovely! Oh, what a cycle! Oh, hey! Woo-hoo! Oh, lovely! Oh, keep it going, Craig, mate! Oh, lovely! Oh, beautiful! Very extreme if you like them. I like them. Oh. We'll have tickling sensations in a minute. Back to forward facing time though. Whoa! Whee! Oh, lovely. Very powerful. Love it very much. Here we go. It's another slow roll, baby. Hey, hey. Whoa. Oh, lovely. Hey. Oh, super. Yes. Oh, what a lovely slow roll. Hey. Woo-hoo. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What a ride. Very lovely this ride. Oh, I love it. You know me. Love it to Bowley. Back up again we go. Oh, here we go again! Oh, 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 beautiful! Absolutely stonkingly beautiful! What beach! Lovely jumping! Oh, beautiful! Oh! Lovely. Oh, tell you what, that's the ride you gotta finish on. That's what you gotta finish on. Good riders always loved it. The Tivoli Extreme James Danters. That's all the rides done. to the end of the video in a minute. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.